not giving me what I want. It's not giving me what it's supposed to give. See, I've had people with these questions, and I'm going to be answering these questions and also telling you how you can avoid that. Okay. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and if this is your first time here, hi, good to have you here. If you are a returnee, welcome back. It's always a pleasure to have you back on board. So today let's talk about Nivea and why it is darkening your skin. Some people say that Nivea is only for dark skin, that light skin people cannot use Nivea. I honestly do not think so, because I've seen people who are born light and they are using Nivea. Some people say Nivea darkens their skin. That is the main reason why we are here. Why is Nivea darkening your skin? I'm going to be telling you the truth. Nivea is not a lightening brand. If anybody comes on YouTube to tell you that Nivea lightens their skin, it is a lie. Nivea is not a lightening brand. Okay, it has never been. It is not now. It's not a lightening brand. Maybe in the future it might be. But we know Nivea as a brand that produces moisturizers, hydrating products, safe products for natural skin complexion. Yes, mind you, natural skin complexion. If your natural skin complexion is light skin, you can use Nivea product. If your natural skin complexion is dark skin, you can use Nivea. Brown skin, chocolate skin, dark chocolate, hot chocolate, whatever, you can use Nivea product. Now, the reason why you are experiencing some darkening on your skin while using Nivea product is because you are not originally light skin. You are not. So, because you are not originally light skin, there is no product in this world that you will lighten your skin with, and then when you stop, your skin is not going back to default setting or to factory setting. There is nothing like a permanent lightening cream. If you lighten your skin and you completely stop using lightening products, I bet you come and settle for something like this, you are going to be going back to default setting. So Nivea is not the problem here. The problem is that you are going back to your original skin tone, if I thought there's a problem. The point is that Nivea is taking you back to your original skin tone, like how you came out from your mother's womb. The problem is not Nivea. Even if you stop using that lightening product and you start using Vaseline product, the Vaseline product is still going to make you dark. Or not make you dark, it's still going to take you to your original setting, because it's not this thing making you dark. If you even stop using a lightening product and you don't use any product on your skin at all, you are still going to be going dark. That is it. Now, people have also asked questions like, can I use it as a maintenance cream? You cannot use it as a maintenance cream. It's not possible, because it's not a lightening product. If you want to use something to maintain your skin complexion, then it has to be something that is lightening, and then you incorporate this alongside that lightening product. So you simply reduce how often you use lightening products on your skin, and on those days where you're not using lightening products, you use things like this, a moisturizer like this. This alone cannot maintain your light skin. It's not possible. Now, I've also had people ask questions like, now I want to use it to brighten my skin. How can I use it to brighten my skin? Nivea on its own cannot brighten your skin, but you can use other products alongside this Nivea, and you are going to have a brighter skin. And that is what I want to tell you now. The first thing is, you want to get a good soap. It could be a lightening soap, it could be a brightening soap. Okay? Get a good soap. Get a soap that is not very strong, because you want to brighten your skin. Get a soap that is not very active. Get a soap that has good ingredients. A good example of this soap is the Koji San soap, the very popular Koji San. The only problem with this soap is that it's drying on the skin. So you can use this soap, but make sure you don't use it every day, because it is going to dry out your skin. But if you are somebody who has oily skin, who is not really, things don't really dry you so like easily, you can use it and make sure you heavily moisturize your skin after using that soap. Apply that soap on your skin, let it sit for 5 minutes, wash it off, and then go in with this moisturizer. So you want to get a good soap, lightening soap. If you don't want that soap, another example of a good soap that I know is a Macari lightening soap. I'm going to put it on the screen. You can try that as well. It is also a very good lightening soap. Use it on your body morning and night if you want, But if I were to advise you, I'll say use it once a day, and keep a place for a regular body wash that is moisturizing, so that you don't over lighten your skin or you don't dry out your skin. Because normal hydrating body wash, they'll always nourish your skin, they'll always soften your skin. Meanwhile, lightening products have the tendency of drying out your skin a little bit, and some very much. After we have skipped it, now we are done with this soap you have to use, right? The next thing you want to do is incorporate a lightening oil into your routine. A good example of a lightening oil is glutathione, Style Clear. Now I would say Style Clear, go with Style Clear, because you can take that bottle of Style Clear oil and mix it, make your own glow oil out of it. I don't advise people using the Style Clear oil on their bodies like that directly. So you want to make a glow oil out of it using almond oil. You can check my channel, I have videos on that, okay? How you can make your own glow oil with Style Clear oil. Make sure you get the original, because there's a lot of fake. That Style Clear oil has a lot of fake in the market. Some people are buying it and they're having white dots on their skin. Buy the original and mix it properly. I did not say you should pour it in this lotion. Don't pour it in this lotion. Mix it like that, and this is how you're going to use it. After taking your shower with that your soap, apply this lotion on your body. After applying this lotion on your body, apply your oil, that your glow oil that you've made from Style Clear and almond oil or jojoba oil, whichever recipe you choose. Apply your glow oil on your body, and that is it, okay? The next thing you want to make sure you do is to exfoliate. There is no way you're going to get those results if you don't exfoliate. If your skincare products are giving you 6 on 10, by the time you start exfoliating, it's going to skip to 9 on 10. No cap, I'm very serious. Exfoliate 2 times in a week or 3 times in a week, your body. Remember, this routine I'm giving is for body. Use it 2 times, exfoliate your skin 2 to 3 times in a week. Which scrub can I use to exfoliate? We have the Caribou scrub. It is a lightening scrub as well. It is very good. It doesn't really dry out the skin, even though it's salt. But don't forget your moisturizer, because salt can dry out some people's skins. Use Caribou scrub, or you use Asante scrub, or any scrub that you know that is lightening, or vitamin C scrub, anyone that you know. Okay? Now do that 2 to 3 times in a week. After that, make sure you wear sunscreen. If you are not wearing sunscreen, even if you use coconut oil, you are still going to get dark. If you are not wearing sunscreen, even if you use avocado oil, you're still going to get dark. Get yourself a good sunscreen. Apply it on all the parts of your body that is exposed to the sun. Apply it. Your face, your hands, your feet. Apply it. If not, you're going to have Coca-Cola Fanta. That's all I have to say. So Nivea is not your problem. The problem is that Nivea is taking you back to default setting. And if you don't want that, then these are the steps you can follow to control the darkening going on your skin. Thank you very much. If you watch up to this point, I really appreciate you. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to the channel. Please help me share with your friends and families, those you think this will be helpful to them. And I'll see you in my next one. Until then, bye.